Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Time on the 31st of December 2017. Welcome to this week's episode, which is the last episode of 2017 of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you, as usual, is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that the dollar is most likely to continue moving to the downside based on the larger time frames. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Tuesday, the market closed to the downside below the close of Friday, but actually up for the day. On Wednesday, the market sold off. On Thursday, the market continued to sell off. And on Friday, the market continued to move down until it hit the demand zone below, and then it bounced slightly to the upside, closing for the year down here. So the question is this: where is the dollar likely to go next this week and in 2018? So let's take a look at the larger time frames. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we can see that we're in the process of moving to the downside right now. So it's most likely that we continue moving to the downside until we hit this demand zone below, whereby we may actually bounce to the upside, but it's most likely that that move up will be sold off. So at the moment, continue playing on the short side until proven otherwise. Now, if we take a look at the monthly chart, we can see also that we're in a demand zone over here, but we're moving to the downside, and it's most likely that we're going to break this demand zone. And if we do, the price of the dollar is likely to continue falling until we get down to this level below. Now, the other option is that we hold this demand zone and actually start moving to the upside again. That is the least likely of the two options, but it's still a possibility. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week and in 2018. So what I'd like to do now is point your attention to our blog. Now, you can get to the blog by going to our website and going to education and going to the blog. Now, what you need to do now, if you want to continue to receive email updates about upcoming webinars, because we're moving over to a new mailing list in 2018. We've actually started the process already, and we will be having a webinar around once a month, if not more, and we have them already scheduled for the whole year. And in February, we'll be having a webinar on cryptocurrencies, blockchain, altcoins, and so if you want to get an update about when that webinar is going to be, go to this page, put in your details over here, join our new mailing list. So this is what I urge you all to do before the end of the year, so that you will get updates of upcoming webinars in the new year. So that's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you all a happy new year and the best of luck with your trading in 2018.